guys! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Erica. If you're new here, please support the channel by subscribing. And if you like videos like this where I try and test out products and I share with you how I think and feel about it, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. So, yeah, may tumatawag sa akin pero never mind. Mas importante kayo dyan. So, today I'm gonna be testing out the Jeju Aloe Ice. And this is the Aloe Soothing Gel Lotion with cooling effect, paraben-free. So, the reason why this is moist, it's because this came from the Frigidaire. Yeah, kasi nakita ko sa video ni Miss Chris Lumagi na isa sa mga hacks na pwede mong gawin is to put it inside the ref. And then, lalamig siya. Syempre, mas cooling yung feeling niya. And I think mas magko-close yung pores. Something to that effect. I'm not sure. Yeah, thank you to our 1,180 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. So, without further ado, let's begin. So, Jeju Aloe Ice. I bought this from Face Shop. Yeah. And this is around this amount. Yeah. Ganyan lang yan kamura. And alam nyo kung gaano siya kadami? 300 ml. So, it's gonna last you. Kahit i-everyday mo pa to, I feel like if you put just a reasonable amount on your face, it's gonna last you about 2 to 3 months. Okay? Actually, parang kahit 6 months kaya eh. Alright, so when you open it, this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna give it, ayan. So creamy, white, textured, almost like mayonnaise. And the smell is, it smells like milk. Let's read kung ano yung nasa likod. Okay? So sabi dito, soothing gel lotion formulated with Jeju Aloe Vera. So we do know that aloe vera helps with a lot of things in terms of pampakapal ng buhok. Yun yung isa sa mga alam kong effect ng aloe vera. So, it moisturizes daw and it refreshes skin from intense heat of the sun. Pinaka cause of aging is yung sun. It refreshes and moisturizes. Can be kept refrigerated for a more enhanced soothing effect. Kagaya nga na sinabi ko. How to use? Apply a generous amount to soothe dry skin. So, this is not just for your face ha, pwede ito sa body mo. So, to feel a more soothing effect, store lotion for about 30 minutes in the Frigidaire. Then apply. Caution! If you experience irritation, redness, or swelling, discontinue use and wash affected area with soap and water. If symptoms persist, consult a dermatologist. Keep out of children's reach. Ang ingredients niya, hindi naman tayo chemists, so pero pwede tayo magbasa, right? So baka sa inyo, alam niyo yung mga to. Aqua, ano yun? Aloe barbadensis, leaf water, alcohol. May alcohol. Butylene glycol, glycerine, panthenol. Pero ang sabi dito, it's paraben-free. When you say paraben, it doesn't mean there's no preservative in the product. It only means there's no paraben in the product. So we have to determine, ano nga ba yung paraben? Paraben, it's any group of compounds used as preservative, pharmaceutical and cosmetic products and in the food industry. Bakit siya bad? Kasi it's known to disrupt hormone function, an effect that is linked to increased risk of breast cancer and reproductive toxicity. So now that we know it can cause breast cancer and reproductive toxicity, dapat talaga mga girls, kapag naghahanap tayo ng produkto, walang paraben. Para yung ating reproductive system. Yeah, so it's not healthy for us girls. So, kaya safe to. Itong Jeju Aloe Ice. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my Miniso trusty facial brush. Okay, it looks like this. Huwag niyong pansinin yan, okay? Meron akong ginamit pang massage. Stain lang yan, okay? So, I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna start treating our skin with Jeju Aloe Ice Soothing Lotion. And when you open it, wala siyang extra clear lid on top. So, or meron, wala. Packaging wise, I don't appreciate kapag walang ganun. Kasi I appreciate pag may extra lid. Kasi it keeps it from sliding off the package. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna dip it here. Get a reasonable amount, like this. And first of all, girls, please do not forget to clean your face before putting this. Walang anything, walang makeup, para walang middleman between the product and your skin. So, it's gonna simmer down effectively. So, wow! Super! Ang sarap ng feeling! Ang lamig eh. Tama nga. I can't imagine this na hindi malamig. Parang, the coolness is the main event. Hopefully not. hopefully it does work. Kasi kung coolness, di kahit anong lotion pwede mo ilagay sa ref, diba? Alright, so this is what I'm doing. And of course, do not forget your neck. Kasi this is really where your age is going to start to show. I just want to feel it on an exaggerated level. And then what I will do, I will get this side of my brush and I'm gonna use this to massage my skin. I think this would be better if super lamig. Now I want to feel the texture using my fingers. It's creamy, but muted kind of cream. Hindi siya yung thick. That when you go like that, you could see. Let's get some product. So, hindi naman siya yung nagdidikit-dikit na slimy, thick cream. So, it does separate. It does make it feel breathable pa rin sa skin mo. And I think once you start massaging it, it's gonna sink or zipper down your skin. But I like it. I like it. Once in a while, I believe this is something that you could do to treat your skin. Okay guys, so this is the face after the product has simmered down through my pores. Yay! Medyo malagkit siya ha. So kung hindi ka okay sa lagkit, medyo ontian mo yung ilalagay mo. I think it's not gonna be like this kung hindi ka ganun ka-generous, kagaya na ginawa ko. Pero overall, I like it. I like the refreshing feeling of it. I like that it's 300 ml for just the price na nakita niyo sa screen. And I like that it has a cooling effect. Like, it really de-stresses you. It can de-stress you. So, I'm gonna check out kung ano effect ito once I continue using it because nagbigay rin ng seal of approval si Miss and Clute sa product na to, and I could really tell that her skin has improved. And sabi niya nga, since she used this, she hasn't been using foundation much. I haven't reached that level where I do not feel the need to use foundation on an everyday basis. So hopefully it does, kasi ang sun din kasi, nagdi-discolor siya ng skin mo and even skin tone, sunspots, and all of that irregularities in terms of skin color. So hopefully if I use this, if it says naman na it does moisturize and it does soothe your skin from the harmful effects of the sun, then sana nga gumanda ang ating skin. But I do like the experience. I do like the cooling effect of it. I second the recommendation that you do need to put it inside the ref para you get a more cooling experience. So overall guys, I do like this. It's something that I'm gonna use to treat my skin when I'm feeling tired and stressed and I just wanna feel like a queen or a princess or somebody who's worked so hard on a tiring day. You need to treat yourself and it's not that expensive. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up and do support the channel by subscribing, and do recommend on the comments down below what videos you'd like to see more from our channel. So once again, I'm America Barreto, and please do not forget to channel your positivity and be a ray of sunshine to whoever you meet because you are. Bye!